So I'm going to show you a beginner and an intermediate version of an exercise that's going to get us nice and warmed up. So we're going to start with our shoulders back, our abs are in, and we're going to march in place. So lift the knee up high, engage those abs, knee up high, and then switch knees. Again, high and switch knees. Up high, shoulders back, and switch knees. So that's really going to get your lower back warmed up, it's going to engage the core, and it's also going to help you work on your posture as you move. Our intermediate version, we're really going to crank up the heat here. So what we're going to do is engage the abs, shoulders back. We're going to warm up the back, and you're going to get that heart rate up. So knee comes up, other knee up, 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 up. Again, you're going to feel your heart rate really rise. You're going to maybe start to sweat a little bit, but that's perfect because we just warmed up our quadriceps, our lower back, and our hamstrings.